Hi everyone, my name is Ion Teferi. I'm from Ethiopia. I came here in 2011. I'm a mother of 3 kids and a full-time student at JCTC since 2016. Do you know what is in the food you consume? Did you know that 70% of all processed food contain at least one ingredient that made by genetic engineering? Do you wonder what that even means? GMOs are genetically modified organisms. These are plants and animals. Most people do not realize that organisms produced through genetic technology have become a part of everyday life, entering into society through agriculture, medicine, research, and environmental management. However, while GMOs have been benefited human society in many ways, some disadvantages exist, like health problems and environmental issues. In 1953, an American molecular biologist, James Watson, and a British molecular biologist, Francis Crick, published their discovery of the three-dimensional double helix structure of DNA. This discovery eventually led to the ability of scientists to identify and splice genes from one kind of organism into the DNA of another. Therefore, in 1973, Herbert Boyer and Stanley Cohen combined their research to create the first successful recombinant DNA organism. In 1980, U.S. Supreme Court in Diamond Chakrabarty rules that genetically altered life form can be patented. Therefore, in 1982, the U.S. Food and Drug Administration approved the first genetically engineering drug, a form of human insulin produced by bacteria. Tobacco and tomatoes are the first test of genetically engineered crops, which are conducted in United States in 1987. First, genetically modified foods have advantages of fast growth, high nutrition tolerance against adverse conditions of weather, and conserve water and soil. Also helps fighting the world's hunger. In addition, the genetically engineered plants has potential to provide edible plant vaccine that could be used to immunize individuals against a wide variety of infectious diseases ranging from cholera to potentially AIDS. In contrast, genetically modified tomatoes that root longer but less resistant to pests and easily catch disease, which made the crops even more costly to grow and thus higher price for consumers. In addition, Bt toxin designed to kill pests that eat crops caused allergies and other responses. $200 million was invested in creating flavor saver, and almost none of the investments was able to be redeemed. GM crops have cost the United States an estimate of $12 billion in farm subsidies, lost sales, and product recall due to transgenic contamination. Therefore, very little testing has been done on GM foods. Also, genetic engineering is a new field and long-term results are unclear. One of the main concerns of those opposed genetically engineered foods are cancer, obesity, diabetes, and allergies. Finally, even though genetically modified organisms have become a part of our everyday life and have benefited us in many ways, the potential risks associated with them have fueled controversy, especially in the food industry. Researchers are continually working to reveal new facts about GMOs and any issues this organism may use to our environmental and human population. Nevertheless, the advantage of GMO, especially for human health and environment, are much less than the side effects. Therefore, being aware of the cons can keep you from being endangered. Thank you for your attention and your time.